Hello YouTube friends, this is another spreadsheet video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of grid lines on OpenOffice. Now this task is fairly simple. What you have to do is go up here to Tools, and then you go down to Options, click on Options, and then you go to OpenOffice Calc, which is OpenOffice Calculator. You click on it, and then you go to View, okay, and then you select grid lines over here. You click on it. What that's going to do is get rid of grid lines. When you don't see the tick here, the grid lines are going to go. Let me demonstrate. As you can see, they've gone. So the grid lines are now invisible. However, the cells still exist. If I click on these cells, they are going to be highlighted. If I want the grid lines back, I return to Tools, go to Options, go back to OpenOffice Calc, click on View, and then I select grid lines once again, but this time I make sure the tick is here. Now I click on OK. As you can see, the procedure was fairly straightforward. Now if this video has been useful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I usually post videos related to mathematics proofs. Sometimes, however, I do post videos related to things such as spreadsheets. This is because spreadsheets can help mathematicians and students. This brings me to my Instagram page. If you want regular mathematics proofs updates, then visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. I hope this video has been very useful to you, and I'll talk to you again soon.